In this video, I'm going to show you function parameters. So in previous video, we have seen the only function, but in this video, we are going to see the function parameters in C#. So let's create one function. So name as my function. This is in camel case. So I'm giving two small braces and curly braces. At least to make the function, we need the return type. I'm giving the return type as void. It means it doesn't return anything. And if I give any message by typing the CW and tab, and I can give the message, this is my function. And if I run this by pressing Ctrl F5, then you can see the output as nothing on the screen because I'm not calling this function yet. So I have to call this function, my function. And if I run this by pressing Ctrl F5, you can see this is my function. And likewise, we can provide the parameter inside the my function. So I'm providing the parameter as int a, int b. It means it accepts the value of a and b. And while we are calling this function, my function, we have to provide the parameter also. This is the argument also. So inside this my function, in calling function, we have to provide the value as argument, and in the main my function, this value we can take it as a parameter, and this is the argument, or you can say the actual parameter. So 4, 5, I'm providing the two values as 4, 5. And if I run this code, nothing will happen, and same message will display because we are nothing doing with the value a and b. And I can create another variable as c, and c is equals to a plus b. I take these two number, and I want to just display this value of c here. And if I run by pressing Ctrl F5, now you can see 9. So this is the addition of the two number, and we are not returning this value, and we are printing inside this my function. If I want to return this value, then I have to give the int keyword instead of void. I just want to comment it out, comment down. So Control K C, and again I want to paste this code here, and I want to change this void into int. And int means it must have to return the value. So I just want to comment it down, and I can write the return C. So if I type return C, retur and return C, or retur and return C. So I'm returning this value, and I just want to print this value. When I return this value, it will goes into the my function. This is the calling function. The value of C will goes into the my function. So I can again create another variable, my value, value is equals to my function, and I just want to print this value, and I can just give it as my value. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5, now you can see the same output. So in this way, you can provide the parameter into the function, and you can return this value, and also you can return this value by using the int keyword if the data type is the int type, if you can return the string, if the variables, or you can say the parameters as in the string. So in this way, you can use the parameters in functions, and you can return this value. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.